Hello, welcome to Family Travel Africa. Today we have like Oobleck, I guess you could call it.
It's like slime.
Sort of like slime. Let's get started. So our experiment for today is Oobleck, as I said before, and we are using this from a book. It's actually my sister's book. It's called Maker Genius. It's a really good book. There's so many cool experiments and projects, or just hacks or stuff you can try in there. So let's get started. So you'll need a large bowl, 1 cup of water. I put it in here. 2 cups of cornstarch, just in here. A wooden spoon. Or you don't need a wooden spoon. Like, you can use any other type of spoon, I think. But that's what it says, and I'm going to use a wooden spoon. And this is optional. You can have food coloring. I'm using yellow. So. Okay,
but
so
it's like green or orange, so the left card is little bit. It's like red or orange or blue.
Oh, okay. Thank you for telling us that. So the first thing we're going to do is pour the water into the bowl.
Not enough water.
It is for this experiment. And then we're going to
Put some sugar.
put some like cornstarch, and you just a little at a time. You might want to stir as you're doing it. Okay, so now I'm just going to stir it. It's actually pretty hard, so you might need an adult if you're smaller to help you. It's like something's like stuck at the bottom of it. So like for this to work, you probably will have to stir for quite some time. Okay, I think this is good enough. Should have this type of consistency, really flowy, like basically just a liquid. So now we are going to, if you're using we are going to now add the food coloring. A couple drops will do.
It's like orange.
Yeah, it looks orange, but it says it's yellow. I thought it was yellow.
See the yellow? It's like yellow. Mix up.
We want to stir it?
Yeah.
Wow, doesn't that look pretty? Okay, I will take it from here. I think that I want more yellow. This looks like some type of like honey mustard type of yellow.
Yeah.
I'll just add a couple more drops or so. I think I used more than a couple. Okay, yeah, this looks actually better. You can't see the color, sorry. But it looks pretty yellow, like really yellow. Okay, so now I'm going to use my hands.
In my hands.
Pull up my sleeves real quick.
I use my hands.
Hold on. You can feel it after. the story was I had a shortage of. Gee, what's happening? I had a shortage actually of cornstarch, and so I tried because so you needed 2 cups and I only had 1 cup and a half, and that's like 3 parts of the whole that you needed. So I just tried to do 3/4 cups of water, but apparently it didn't work so well. My mom actually she recommended a half, but I was like, I thought my math was right, blah blah blah. So that's why we had a little complication at the start, but now you can see you when you grasp it, and then you hard, and then you hold out for a sec. You can see that it's solid, and it still is solid, and then you just let it out. See, solid, and then solid, and then so that's really cool. Solid, and then solid, good, solid, good. It's so cool. And I actually improvised by putting baking powder, which actually works. Just make sure not to get too much, like, on your siblings and stuff.
Then why you put too much cheese on it?
Because it wasn't working. Wow, now this is cool. It's literally, this is so, wow. It's literally hard. You guys see it? It's like hard, and then it just goes like that. Like hard. Hard. So cool. Like you can make snowballs out. Never mind. I was gonna say you can make snowballs out of these, but apparently not at all. What? That feels weird. Wow, I can just spend hours playing with this. It's so satisfying. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is so.
Why you keep playing with it?
It's so. You should definitely make this, even you parents out there. When you're stressed, kids, just a lot of work, make this. And then satisfy yourself. Please take my advice. This is very satisfying. Okay. And distressful. Okay, so before we go, why does this happen, you ask? Well, how does this happen? Where it turns into from a solid into a goo. So the answer is, so the cornstarch is a natural polymer, and it behaves like a glue and slime. So, like when mixed with water, the polymers make a special kind of slime in a way. And then as you squeeze the oobleck, you are applying pressure. And pressure is a force, and it makes the blob act more like a solid. So when the more tangled the polymer strands get, the less they can move. So when you relax your hand and use less force, the blob flows into a liquid. Like so. See? Very cool. Okay, so before I go, Oh, also, do not put this down the drain because it can dry out or block your disposer or just your drain, actually. Please do not. You can, if you can save it if you'd like. If not, you could probably do anything but put it down in the drain. And of course, do not put it in the dirt somewhere in a hole because that's bad for the earth. So before you go, please subscribe, share it, like it, and comment below. Thank you for watching. This is Family Travel Africa. Bye!
And I love your video. Bye. I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe.